So this is Antonio from the All Seeing One, and if you're looking to get started with creating custom Instagram filters for yourself or for a brand or for an agency you work for, or if it's just a summer project that you're looking to take up, then this is like a small intro and guide to get started. So first things first, you need a stable internet connection from time to time and a Facebook account. So in most cases, you might not be using Facebook much, but it is one of the prerequisites that you need to create and upload Instagram filters. So that's one thing. If you're looking to create Instagram filters for your page or for a brand, then you will need a Facebook page that is basically the operating system for your filters. So this is how you define, okay, I want my filter to be under this page, and you can also connect it to Instagram later on. But before you go away, I would highly recommend joining the Metaspark community, where you can get updates on what's happening and how you can fix your errors. It's a supportive community that will help you out. And obviously you need an Instagram account where you can upload your Instagram filters. If it's for a client, there's a separate procedure that I'll be explaining later on, so that shouldn't be a problem. And lastly, it's a good idea to connect all of your accounts that you use to Account Center. So that's accountcenter.facebook.com, where you can connect all of your pages and accounts, be it Facebook or Instagram, and keep them in one place, so it's better to have access to all of them. Next up, we will go to the sparkar.facebook.com page. It's Metaspark now. They have rebranded as they do every year. So this is basically the landing page. If you come back, you can download Metaspark Studio. It used to be called Spark AR Studio before, but things have changed. And if I just go back, there's another page called Downloads. So here you can download previous versions as well. So in case the newest version is not working for you, you can come here and download previous versions, work with them, and see if they are helping out. And if you are creating filters, it's always good to keep in mind the Metaspark policies. So obviously you have to adhere to Facebook's guidelines, then the Instagram guidelines, but there should also be a few different things to take care of. So that's performance, text and voice intents, right? Custom controls, you cannot use them at the moment apart from a few exceptions, and capabilities. So they must be supported capabilities within Instagram or within Facebook. And then there are a few other things to keep in mind. So for example, every effect can have the same name, so that there's no confusion in the terminology of your filters. Then there are a lot of things you'll have to go through. For example, things can be shocking, sensational, disrespectful, not promote illegal products. So you can always have a read and decide, okay, so this is what I want to do, this is what I cannot do. You'll be surprised that you cannot add URLs or QR codes or any other scannable codes within your filters. So things keep changing. In the future, you might have a way to, let's say, add in a URL or a QR code. So this is also one of the major reasons your account might submit a filter but it won't get accepted. And to check all of your stats, you go to facebook.com/sparkarhub/dashboard, and you can check your account here. You can switch here, but I'm not going to do that right now because I have a few clients profile that it's there. And you can check your effects for the amount of insights that they have, so the shares and everything else. That's my page right there. So this is like last 28 days, and you can get the insights for every filter. Right now we have only one filter that's live, so you can see the details for each, the files, that is the AR export file that was added. So you can always download them in case you are not able to find the previous file. Happens to everyone. And here is the activity log. So in case a filter was rejected, you'll get the details about it here. and then you can have a look. So you can go back to effects. There are insights overall, and there are some resources to help get you started, some tutorials just like this one, and effects in the end. So once you download Metaspark Studio, you'll have to simply sign in with your Facebook account that you created, which you have here. And lastly, it is a good idea to connect to Sketchfab. So if you create a Sketchfab account beforehand, it's useful. So that's my account here. I haven't really edited my profile or anything, but it's good to have because you'll be using 3D models in the future. So I hope this tutorial helps. I did not want to drag this on for a very long time, but this is basically all you need to get started, to acquire the software and to have the means to upload it to wherever you might need. So hope that helps. I'll see you in another video soon.